Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Matina. This screencast will give you a little bit of an introduction about Google Tour Builder. Google Tour Builder is a great tool to show an interactive presentation of locations around the world. Think of it as Google Slides and Google Maps put together. So the first thing that you need to do is go to tourbuilder.withgoogle.com. And when you come to this home page, the first thing that you need to do is sign in. So you click the blue sign in button and use your school Google account to sign in to Tour Builder. And you can see I am signed in and ready to start.